How's it going, Tens? So today we're going on to mixed combinations. All that means is that we're just going to make everything that you've learned so far into one question, okay? So here in the notes, they're just talking about FOIL before distribution, SMS before distribution, distribute all negative signs correctly, collect like terms to obtain final answer, and then write answers in decreasing powers of the variable. So remember what I've taught you guys. I've taught you guys just to distribute, okay? I don't want you doing it any of these fancy ways or anything like that. Not just yet. I'd rather you guys get the grounding first, and then maybe later on in the year or even next year, we can talk about these quick, easy methods, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to look at an example like this. And as you can see, it's just a big combination of everything that you've done so far. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the old-fashioned FOIL way, and then distribute, and you guys will see as I go step by step. So remember, when you get two brackets like this, we FOIL, which is first, outer, inner, last. So let's do that first one. I'm not going to do anything with the 2 yet. I must do what's inside the brackets first. Okay, so we've got the 2 outside the bracket. And if we FOIL now, so the first will give us x squared. The outers will give us plus 2x. The inners will give us minus 3x. And the last will give us minus 6. Okay, so we've done that first one over there. That's that. Now, we've got this minus 3 multiplied by. Now remember, what does this bracket mean? Oh, this squared mean with this bracket? It means that we have 2 of those brackets. So this would become x minus 2, x minus 2. Okay, and we'll sort that one out in a second. Okay, I'm just going to go to the next line. Plus 5. We've got 2 brackets together, or 2 binomials. So we're going to FOIL. So first gives us x squared, outers plus 5x, inners minus 5x, and then the last gives us minus 25. Okay, let's get like terms together in here, and we get 2x squared plus 2x minus 3x will give us minus x, minus 6, minus 3. Now we need to FOIL here. So first gives us x squared, outers minus 2x, inners minus 2x, and then the last plus 4. Okay, I'm just going to go to this line over here, plus 5, get like terms together. So we've got x squared plus 5x minus 5x, they cancel, and you're left with minus 25. Okay, now what I need to do, grade 10s, is I need to distribute this 2 into each thing into that bracket. The minus 3, remember, always include the sign with each. Oh, we can still simplify that, but I'll simplify it in a second. And then the 5 we can distribute in there. Okay, so let's do this first distribution. So here we get 2 times x squared gives us 2x squared. 2 times minus x gives us minus 2x. And then 2 times minus 6 gives us minus 12. Now, before I distribute this, I just want to simplify inside the bracket here. So minus 3 x squared minus 2x gives us minus 4x plus 4. This one I can distribute. So the first one will give us plus 5x squared. Then we've got 5 times minus 25 will give us minus 125. Okay, now I'm going to distribute this negative 3 in. (2x squared minus 2x minus 12 minus 3x squared plus 12x minus 12. Then this line here, we've got plus 5x squared minus 125. Right, at this point, grade 10s, what you can do is you can get your like terms together. So we've got x squared, x squared, x squared. I'm going to take all those together. So we've got 2 minus 3 plus 5. And that will give you 4x squared. So we're done with that one, and with that one. Okay, the next I'm going to move on to is the x's. So we've got minus 2 plus 12, and that's it. Okay, and we get plus 10 x. So we're done with that, done with that. The next I'm going to work with the constants. So we get minus 12, minus 12, minus 125, and we get minus 149. And there's our final answer. Okay, so you can see there is quite a bit to do, but if you just follow those basic little steps, you can't go wrong. Okay, so the important areas I want you to make when doing this is just be very careful with your negatives. Okay, they must be distributed as well. Once you get your like terms, don't make a mistake with your like terms, and then get your final answer. All right, grade 10s, what I would like you to do for homework is exercise 1.8, numbers 1A, C, D, E, number 2, B, C, E for me, please. Thanks, guys.